Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the Shark Carpet Expert. So in my case, I usually have like two main ways to actually go ahead and clean this. The first thing is that you of course want to clean out the dirty tank. And so to pull the dirty tank, you just press it, pull out the float filter that you see over here. And then with it, what we're going to do is that we're going to go ahead and make sure that the filter here pops off. And then we're just going to go ahead and rinse this filter out and clean it up with soap and water. So just go ahead and empty this out. And just simple use of soap and water as far as cleaning out the filter goes, just to make sure no bacteria grows on it. I'm actually going to add quite a bit of soap. So I like to use warm water, but basically the point of cleaning this is just again to make sure that bacteria doesn't grow within the filters and such, just because, you've been cleaning up dirty carpet. But this is the first part that I normally like cleaning, and then I normally like to set it to go ahead and air dry within my bathtub. So I'll just set it on the corner right over here. Now the next thing is the float mechanism. And again, because this was in dirty water, we're just going to go ahead and rinse it. And then same thing, just simple soap and water as far as making sure that bacteria doesn't grow on any of the material here. Now, of course, I recommend using a sponge to go ahead and actually scrub this a bit. Don't use the sponge that you use for your kitchen sink, but just making sure that you use soap everywhere. And then same thing, just go ahead and rinse it off. Gloves can be recommended, but it's all right, I don't mind. So this is the float filter that we're going to be go ahead and cleaning it off. And same thing, once you're done with this area, just go ahead and leave it out to air dry. So that is component number 2. Now, the next component that we have is the actual tank. And right now, I'm not sure if this is going to fit in my sink. Okay, I guess it does. So first, let's start off by actually rinsing this. And then we're going to go ahead and try to remove all the debris and stuff. Same thing, you're just going to fill this up with soap. And then we're just going to go ahead and fill it up. Shake it up a bit. Now, I don't really scrub the inside just because, it's just going to get dirty again anyways. So usually just a quick soap rinse with soap and water will do. Now, after this, same thing. We're just going to go ahead and let this air dry. Now, the last component that you need to go ahead and wash out, so we're just going to leave it there, is the actual brush filter. Now, the brush filter, in order to remove it, the top hood actually pops off if you pull this forward. So you can actually clean this. And then this pulls forward too, just like that. This right here, you need to go ahead and remove. So we can go actually throw this away as far as like it just being lint. Now, as far as the brush filter goes, I do believe that this pops off also just like this. So again, just removing all the hair. Just be careful it doesn't go in your sink just because it might clog your sink. But same thing, just using soap and water to clean the filter brush, using warm water. And then we're just going to apply soap to all of this. And same thing, just using soap and water. And when I'm cleaning these, I don't really expect like a 100% perfect clean. It's just a little 80% clean, just good enough to go ahead and know like, okay, we removed most of the bacteria and such so that it doesn't grow. And that should be pretty much it as far as cleaning the last brush goes. You can, of course, go ahead and wipe down your vacuum as a last resort. So what I'll normally do is I'll grab a paper towel and wipe down the edge of the vacuum, probably clean that top as well. But that's pretty much it though, as far as how to clean your Shark Carpet Expert. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.